Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Dutch Harbor Bay local and long-distance movers near me. Do you wish to have a hassle-free shifting experience? Then you must hire an experienced but affordable moving firm. It will make your shift easy and allow you enough time to explore the location you have been shifted to. Our moving firm, 3 Movers, is amongst the oldest moving firms with 20 years of business experience in packing or moving. And being the oldest mover, we have a good team of experienced movers. Our experts and team of movers will first visit your apartment to analyze the number of boxes required to shift your apartment and plan your shift accordingly. We never deny any project and make sure to complete the shift in the least possible time. Reasons to choose us. 3 Movers is the oldest moving firm, making us a reliable source of getting your move done. We not only provide shifting, but offer storage services too. So it's safe to rely on us for everything you have. As our priority is to make your shift comfortable, we notify our charges beforehand. We will help you to move and plan your shift accordingly. Use secure wrapping material. Provide wholesome shifting services. Packing, loading, shifting, and resettling your items. Never deny any assignment. Active communication. Reliable, fast-moving service. Insurance on belongings. Affordable prices. Punctuality. Licensed firm. Offer last-minute shifting. Trained staff. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.